Welcome back to Database Session. I hope you are doing very well. In this video, we will explore the Synapse data warehouse which is present in Microsoft Fabric. So before going to start, I request you to please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful to you. Now let's get started. So Synapse Data Warehouse is actually a powerful platform for running enterprise scale analytics with Edge. Synapse Data Warehouse enable the organization to store, manage and analyze massive structured data set. With Synapse Data Warehouse, you can use SQL based tool and integration service. In upcoming video lecture, we will see some key feature of Synapse Data Warehouse. For example, different way to load data efficiently in Synapse Data Warehouse. We will also see about when you can go with lakehouse and when you can use data warehouse. We will also see about some key feature of Synapse Data Warehouse like cloning and time traveling. So let's see all these key feature and Synapse detail in upcoming video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe.